2116, left turn Alpha Alpha, straight ahead bridge route, and exit runway as quick as you can.
Alpha Alpha, bridge route, and Delta expedite, Delta 2116.
West 1989, also tower taxi up 2, and hold short, 124 left.
Up to and hold short, 24 left, Southwest 1989.
Delta 2116, continue straight ahead, bridge route, ground point 4 at the checkpoint.
Delta 2116, straight ahead, bridge route, ground point 4 at the checkpoint.
Delta 932, RNAV to Del Rey, wind column, runway 24 left, ready for takeoff.
Delta 932, clear for takeoff, 24 right, RNAV Del Rey. Tower Delta 2218, 24 left, gate 55.
2218, Los Angeles Tower, traffic, Airbus A321, mile and a half final, additional traffic hold in position, wind column, runway 24 left, 39.
24 left, clear land, Delta 2218.
American 171, go around, turn right, fly heading 270, climb and maintain 2000.
Copy that. Go around, American 171, group is...
American 171, turn right heading 270, climb and maintain 2000.
Okay, 270, American 171.
Southwest 1989, traffic is now on a 5-mile final, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, Southwest at 1989.
932, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Good day.
American 171, traffic sector 11 o'clock and a mile and a half, climbing out of 1,400, a Boeing 737, still stay off your left.
Inside American 171.
171, maintain visual separation, contact SoCal departure, 125.2.
25.2, good, American 171.
American 171, Scott departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5,000.
5,000, American 171.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft ahead of us didn't get off the runway, so we had to go around. We're going to bring them right back, and we'll get you on the ground here very shortly. Sorry about the delay.
Traffic at 2 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 3,300 indicated, type unknown.
And we're looking at American 171.
American 171, turn right, right turn, heading 090, when able, proceed direct Santa Monica.
090, when able, direct Santa Monica, American 171.
Traffic's no factor, proceed direct Santa Monica, depart Santa Monica heading 070.
Direct Santa Monica, depart Santa Monica, 070, American 171.
American 171, connect scale approach on 128.5, good day.
25, American 171. American 171's with you, 5,000 and 070 out of Santa Monica.
American 171, SoCal first, thank you. American 171, was there traffic on the runway?
That's affirmative. He was on the runway.
Thanks. American 171, change your runway to 25 left, the localizer frequency is 109.9.
25 left, American 171.
American 171, I'm sorry, it's 25 right today, localizer frequency is 111.1.
25 right, American 171, thank you.
American 171, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, American 171.
American 171, turn right, heading 160.
160, American 171.
American 171, turn right heading 220, intercept 25 right, localizer.
220, 25 right, localizer, will join American 171. That's affirmative, American 171, field side.
American 171, thank you. Clear visual approach, runway 25 right.
25 right, clear, visual, American 171.
American 171, kind of Los Angeles Tower 120.95, good morning.
2095, going American 171. Los Angeles Tower, American 171, with you on that visual for 25 minutes.
American 171, LA Tower, caution, turbulence, heavy Boeing 777, holding in position, wind 1703, runway 25 right, to the land.
Clear to land, American 171, minimum fuel.
Roger. American 1243, turn right at Papa, turn right onto Bravo to clear the runway. Traffic is waiting to go and contact ground point 75.
Okay, Papa Bravo on the ground, American 1243.
Sorry, 8177 heavy, wind 1603, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff to the right, sorry, 177.
American 253, LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
253, full length.
American 189, LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
189.
Skywest 2869, LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
Full length, that's right.
American 171, sig gate number.
48 Alpha.
Roger. Sorry, 8177 heavy, contact SoCal departure.
43, sorry, 177 clear.
Southwest 3208, next to land 14 mile final, runway 25 right, line up wait.
25 right, line up plate, Southwest 38.
American 2 LA Tower, taxi to the full length.
Full length, American 2. Tower, American 2250, 13 miles, approaching 25 right.
American 2250 LA Tower, traffic holding in position, wind 1903, runway 25 right, clear to land, cautionary turbulence, the traffic in position will be Boeing 757.
Clear to land, 25 right, American 2250.
Hey, seatbelt, and we'd like to
American
welcome you to
171, turn right off the runway, turn right onto Bravo, contact ground point 75.
For your safety, we request you remain seated with your seatbelt
Right, point
fastened
75, American
until we
171.
authorize at the gate. The captain has
Affirmative.
to fasten seatbelt sign.
JetBlue 124, give way to American, come off the runway, then continue.
Above cabin. We will be arriving today at gate
American 171, mile past ground,
48A,
turn right on Bravo.
and your baggage
Bravo,
claim is
American
1. For those passengers going on to
Delta
Dallas
57,
Fort
we
Worth,
push
you will
back
be
far enough to
departing
open up
gate
gate 48 out from there. The
42A,
American authorized going to that gate.
47B, San Diego,
Triple lift, push back south, fast, thanks, 1
44C,
heading.
and Tokyo 41. Once again, we will be arriving at gate 48A, and your baggage claim is 1. On behalf of your entire New York based flight crew, we appreciate you traveling with us today, and we hope to see you once again on American Airlines. Thank you, and everyone have a very pleasant rest of your day.
Bravo, short of Tango.
Bravo, short of Tango, American 45.